subscribe and turn those post notifications. And today I'm playing Don't Press That Button. As you can see, another Don't Press That Button. And the question of today is, how many videos did I did of Don't Press That Button? So yeah, you guys, that's the question of today. I don't like this. I don't like this already. Ooh, what the? Yo, I was just sitting. Okay, I don't even know what just happened. A glitch or something. But okay. Guys, and if you hear that popping noise, that's me playing with popping fidget spinner. I'ma pop it up. I'ma pop up a popping fidget spinner, for example. There you go. So yeah. Probably already know what it is, but okay. So yeah. Ooh, I like that girl outfit. And not really. Why people always be saying, hey yo, I'm John Cena, hey yo. Who John Cena, man? Ooh, I got this, yo. I got this. Let me get that diamond. Yep. Everyone get smaller. Yes, I can see everyone. The more smaller you get, the more harder it runs. Oh, don't get cute, yo. Now we get it bigger. Watch our border that coming. We just had this, man. Oh, yeah. What am I doing, yo? What am I doing? What the? Why me? Oh, everybody does it. Oops. It's hard. Nah, man. Woo, you guys, it's hard. It might look easy, but can't say that until you actually try it. Oop. It's hard because it makes your person walk like slippery and stuff. So why I am one? I pressed it. Get ready to whack some moles. Ooh! Y'all know that whack mole game? Y'all know that mole game? Y'all know that one mole game at the arcade or whatever? Not the arcade, I don't know. But have you ever played that before? I played it before.
Since my hair got cut and dyed.
Tom. I didn't know this was a race. I would been trying to kill them. What has the hot potato? Don't let them pass. Ooh, yes. No. Oh yeah, die. Put all the fireworks spread across the bass plate together to make a firework. I don't know what you talk about, but okay. No, I was about to get that one. The fireworks have been created. Have a great New Year, everyone. What about our fireworks? What the? Oh. Lyndon, the chef, is missing the ingredients to bake. We need to get the ingredients. No, I don't want to get those ingredients. Don't try to race me. Oh no, she ain't. Oh no, she ain't. What you gonna make? What you gonna make? Ooh, some yummy cake. That can poison. I'm running away.
Yummy.
Enjoy. I bet somebody gonna explode.
Yummy.
Not enjoy it.
Yummy.
Can you finish the maze? I know I'm doing it. Mommy, why everybody following me? Why they follow me? Oh yay! Woohoo! I made it! Oh yeah. Guys, I knew I was gonna make it. I believed in myself, man. I believed. You hear me? Believed. And people just give up. And they just start following somebody else. Like they know what they're doing. But I totally didn't know what I was doing. What the peanut butter jelly? Okay, it wasn't that tomato. I gotta say it was oh no. Oh my Joseph, Butterfinger, Jigger Buggers. Yeah. Man, how did that even happen? What the? I died 2 times. Died from one. You gotta look up in the sky. They don't even fall from the sky. I'm dodging these, man. I'm dodging these so good. I'm so good at this. Nah, I thought I was getting it. One, two. They got that. Why? Why we can't see the fireworks that we made, kid? Why? Spiky walls are closing. Don't touch the spice. No. It's easy. I gotta do stand between the things. Oh, gotta go into the new mouth, don't we? Go into the new mouth. What the? It still got me going. Where is we going? Ew, I know it's not. Oh. Ew, we just got pooped out of the new butt. Yo. I ain't going in there anymore. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Ew, I got a poop on my head. But it kind of look cute. No, man. Okay. No, actually, no, I love you guys. See you guys later.